Hi, I'm Ermi Agizarian with Coldwell Banker Hallmark Realty. Oftentimes, my clients and friends ask me what are requests for repairs and what are credits. Requests for repairs or credits are usually done once all the inspection reports are in. The buyer reserves to do many inspections on a property, such as a general home inspection, a chimney inspection, a termite inspection, a sewer inspection, or even a soil inspection, a geological inspection for hillside properties. Once the reports are in, the buyer has the right to request for repairs or request a credit towards the repairs prior to close of escrow, provided that they still have the inspection contingency in their contract. So once the request is made, the seller may refuse or agree to the portion or all of the repairs. So if the buyer requests a repair, the buyer has the right to inspect the repair prior to close of escrow, and the repair must be satisfactory to the buyer, provided it was done in a workmanly manner, and the buyer may even bring an inspector to confirm such work. Therefore, it would be best to render credit by the sellers if they're in agreement prior to close of escrow for the buyer. The buyer may not take that amount from escrow. It needs to be fully used towards closing costs, and the buyer's lender may have some restrictions on as to how much the credits could be towards the closing costs. So therefore, to avoid any headaches, it's usually recommended to take credits versus repairs. If you have any questions regarding credits versus repairs or any other real estate matter, please feel free to contact me. And thank you so much for your time.